Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can read about the current discounts in the Remix application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the very end of the page, click on the useful information button. And then click on the discounts button. So here you can read about all the currently running discounts and deals within the application. So if you're interested in, you will find all the information here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.